Hey guys, my name is Bharat and I'm the creator of Bharat in Germany. This is another episode of Students Here, and in this episode, we do not have any students for you. But we have Karthik and Smitha. Karthik came to Germany on job seekers visa and Smitha followed. Karthik was able to find a job and now Smitha started her own YouTube channel where she shows different kind of recipes. Now Alina has been watching her for a while, so they got in touch and we decided to make this video for you guys so that you can also learn from it. And it is a nice opportunity for me to promote another YouTube channel which is small right now, but with this constant effort they're definitely going to get big. So let's take a look at the video.
Hello everyone, I'm Smitha and this is my husband Karthik.
Hi guys.
We are from Bangalore and currently we live in Dusseldorf. Karthik came here on job seekers visa in February 2020.
Yes, and we had consulted Bharat before taking this decision, and he had provided us with a lot of insights which helped us make this move possible. And I got the job in the month of June 2020, and Smitha joined me 3 months ago.
Yeah, I had already left my job and I was supposed to come here earlier, but due to all the lockdowns, I had to stay back in Bangalore. And since I had a lot of free time, I started to take my cooking seriously, and I also opened a website called thatoneflavor.com. And when I came here, we thought we'll take this to the next level, and we started our YouTube channel with the same name. And thanks to Alina and Bharat for making this collab happen. We are sharing 2 recipes today which are very easy to make, and we know that especially students would love them.
Yes, one thing that Indians we miss when we are abroad is Indian food, and it is quite expensive to buy Indian food outside, and rather not very safe at this point of time to have a lot of food from the restaurants. And the recipes, the ingredients that we have used in the recipes are quite easily available in the German supermarket or the Indian stores.
One of the recipes is how to make paneer at your home, and all you need for this recipe is milk, lemon and a clean cloth. Milk and lemon are easily available in supermarket for less than €1.
Yeah, and the second recipe is an easy tawa pulao, which is made with very less ingredients, and it tastes as good as the chatwala makes in India.
Yeah, I hope you guys will enjoy it. Thank you.
Thank you so much for watching this video. If you have any kind of suggestions, tips, words of encouragement, please let us know in the comments below. Also, please check out Smitha's channel. I think she is doing some really nice work and she'll be uploading some really cool recipes there, so definitely don't forget to check it out. In the upcoming episodes, we will have more variety. We have one student who is willing to show their student budget. We have one student who wants to show how did they organize their studies, and we have one student who wants to talk about the importance of fitness. So this is going to be a very interesting series. So if you have any kind of submissions, suggestions, or any ideas that you want us to cover, you can just write us an email at bharat@bharatingermany.com, or the best way is you can directly reach Alina. So you can just write to her a DM. She is managing again the entire student share thing. So all you have to do is go to her Instagram, just write her a DM, and she'll be in touch with you. I think another interesting idea for a series could be where we see different kind of job aspirants or who have already come on job seekers visa and have been able to find a job, or who are working full-time, that we can portray their life right now on YouTube. I think that could be super interesting. So of course we are always open for ideas. We're just looking for volunteers, because for us alone to manage so many things, it is not difficult, and also we can only show you only one perspective, and that is my perspective. That's why I want to have as many perspectives as possible on this channel, so that you can make a better decision towards the end. And we can also have this complete database of knowledge for different kind of students who are from different nationalities who are wishing to study or work in Germany. Thank you so much for watching again. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.